Hello, what's up guys? My name is Ghazanfar, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can create a variable product in WooCommerce, and we are using a theme named LSE. So a variable product looks like this, and we are going to add a similar product using WooCommerce. So what you will have to do, you will have to click on this dashboard tab. You will redirect to dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, you will move toward this product tab, but before I want to tell you about something. There is an option called attributes. If you click on attributes, you can see I already have set up color, female sizes, male sizes, and size attributes. So you can add as many attributes as you want. Now, you may think that where would you use these attributes? These are the attributes that you are going to use in your variations. So you can add as many attributes by simply adding the name of attribute in here. Let's say I want to add male sizes. Then you will have to choose the type. In the type option, we have three further options available, that says color, label, and image. If you want to use image as the male sizes, you can use image as well. If you want to use color, you can use color as well, and you can use labels. So for this example we are going to use the label option, and we'll click on add attribute. Once you will click on add attribute, now you can see it says that slug is already in use, because already I'm using that slug, so I'll have to use a different name. Let's say demo. So I'll use label again and click on add attribute. So now you can see we have the demo attribute created in there. Now what we want to add further options in this attribute. So for that you will have to click on this configure terms text, and when you will click on this, a new window will appear, and in here you are free to add as many further attribute properties as you want. So let's say I want to add for example sizes, so I will add extra small, and always keep in mind that you will have to add the label for that property as well. So it will say extra small, so click on add new, then it will get added in here, and then you can add as many as you want. Just for the example, I'm adding only two options in here, and then we can go back and check how it is looking. So now you can see we have this demo, and here are our properties in the attributes. But for now, in this example, we are going to use this color attribute, male sizes attribute, and the female sizes attribute. So next up, let's go to click all products, and then click on add new. We'll be creating a demo product for this example. So I'll label it as, here you will add the title of the product or the name of the product. I will add the demo product. Then here you can add some lorem ipsum. Basically that field is for the description of the product. I currently do not have any description of the product, so I'll be using some lorem ipsum text. So I'll copy the lorem ipsum from there and paste it here. Then came along. So here is our lorem ipsum. Then again, in the product short description, you will have to add short description. So here you add the short description, and in there you add the complete description about the product. Then on the right hand side we have the option that says product categories, and in here you can choose the categories you want. So for now, let's say we want to add this product in couple teas category and under the subcategory of lovers. Then here you can choose the product image. I'll be choosing a product image for as an example. Let's say I want to use this image, and then we have an option for adding the gallery. So we'll be adding more products images similar to the one we have. So now we have added the product featured image and the gallery in the product, and added the product description and product title. Also we have assigned that product to a particular category. Now, as I have already mentioned, we are going to create it as variable product. So what you will have to do, you will have to choose the variable product option from there. Once you will choose variable product, then you will go to attributes, and remember we have created a demo attribute just a few minutes ago. So if I click on this, you can see we have the demo attribute. So all of the attributes that you will create, they will appear right here, but for this example we are going to use the color attribute. I'll click on add. It may take some time depending upon the internet connection you have and the hosting you are using. So you will have to wait for a while. So now our attribute is added. So if I click on this, I have multiple options available. But for this product, I only have the black color available and a white color available. You can choose any of the colors. I already have created these attributes on the attributes section that I have showed you earlier. You can add as many colors as you want, but for now we are using black and white color only. And then make sure you click on used for variation, because if you will not click on this, then this attribute will never be used for variation. So the next step will be using the, as you may see in the image, we have a pair of t-shirt, one for the man and one for the woman. So our next attribute should be male sizes, and we'll click on add. And in here we have all the sizes available. I want to use all the sizes, so I'll click on select all, and then I'll click on used for variation. Now the male size is added. I saved the attributes. One more thing, I want to add female sizes as well, so I will add that female sizes attribute in here, and then I'll click on use for attribute, and I want to use all the sizes. So just double checking that I'm using all the attributes, and I'll click on save attribute. Once that is done, next up you have to move toward the variation. Now we are on the variation. You'll have to click on this, and you will have to choose create variations from all the attributes, and then click on go. A pop-up will appear that will says that you are going to create the variation from all the attributes you have set it up, or we want to use that. So I'll click on OK, and that says maximum 50 per run, which means you can use maximum of 50 product attributes in single variable product. So I'll click on OK, and it will take some time, and it will create the variations for you. Sometimes it's take a bit longer to create variations, and now it have created the variations from us, and it says 50 variation added. So we have 50 multiple variations we need to set up for this particular product. So I'll click on OK, and I'll click on OK, and all of our variations are right here. Now if you click on this arrow, a drop down will appear where you will have the option to upload the image for each variation. If you want, you can use that, but I'm not going to do that. Then the main thing is regular price and the sale price. If you have like different regular price and you are providing the product on sale price, you can set up different prices. But for now, for this product example, we are using the regular price. Like it will take you so much time if you go manually, like one by one for each variation and add the product prices. There is a shortcut. So if you click on there and click on set regular price and click on go, it will ask you for the value, and I want the each product to have a value of 499 rupees. This is basically the regular price. So I want my product to have a price of 499, and I will click on OK. Once I'll click on OK, in a while all of the variation will be assigned with a regular price of 499 rupees. So just to confirm, let's have a look. Our regular price is added. Our regular price is here. So now basically we have assigned the regular prices for each variation, and then we can click on publish button. Once we'll click on publish button, our variable product will be published on the website, and we will be able to check that product by simply clicking on this view product button. Once you click on view product, you can have a look. We have this product gallery appearing here, then we have colors that we have decided, and then we have all the male sizes and female sizes. So this is basically how you will create a variable product using WooCommerce in LSC theme.